How to turn off chat notification on Zangi. Hi guys, it's Mikran. Today I am going to guide you how to turn off chat notification on Zangi. Turning off chat notification on Zangi is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Launch Zangi. Open the Zangi app on your mobile device. Go to the chat tab. Find the chat tab you want to clear. Once you are on the chat page, go to the profile. Tap on the name of the person you want to turn off chat notification off. Go to notification. Once you are on the profile, scroll down until you find notification option. Once you find it, tap on it. Mute notification. Select the time how long you want to mute. 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hour or until you turn it on. Then go to main menu and here you go, it's done. That's how you can turn off chat notification on Zangi. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.